Hello everybody! I've got a new to me item for 2025. This is a GE lighted candy cane, and it is from the year 2002. It's got a legitimate GE plug on it. Let's give it a test and see what it will and will not do. It does work. It's got some red lamps out, and it calls for 3.5 volts, and I just happen to have some red ones right here from the SuperSphere repair. It's the same voltage of lamps. So I will go through and replace these and then come back and see if I made a difference. Okay, we're up and running 100%. Got a slightly dim bulb that I think OCD is going to get the best of me. I believe so. We'll do that one lamp and I think we'll be set. I think that will work. So I have a particular spot I'm going to put this. Here's where it's going to live. So once again, my new to me GE lighted candy cane from 2002. Thank you for watching.